Hello everyone, today we will learn how to create a picture frame with reflection when we make our professional scene. So let's get started. Shift A and make a plane. Rotate along Y-axis 90 degrees. Object mode, insert command under the 50mm. Select the four faces and extrude 30mm. Enter. Select the bottom vertex. Grab along Z axis 700mm. I want to assign a new material. Make a slot called new material frame. Go inside the shader editor. Select the color. Increase the metallic and reduce the roughness, so we have a nice reflection. Go to edit mode, select the face, assign a new slot, create a new material called image, texture. Open up an image from our library and assign to the face. Ctrl T to have the mapping node and adjust some parameter. Rotate minus 90 degrees, scale 1.05, location along y-axis 90-80 mm and minus 70 mm along the y-axis. I want to make a glass on top, so go to the principal node, reduce the roughness 0.1, increase the transmission and change the index of refraction, so it looks like a glass on top. This is the nice effect, the real-time rendering, and the job is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below. Thank you so much.